नमस्ते जी, मैं अरविंद केजरीवाल बोल रहा हूँ। बहुत क्रांतिकारी माहौल है, बहुत क्रांतिकारी, बहुत ज़्यादा। तो देशवासियों, देशवासियों से मेरे को क्या लेना देना है कि नहीं? हाँ, तो दिल्ली वासियों, हमने पिछली बार कोरोना को बहुत अच्छे से हराया था। इतना अच्छे से हराया था कि अमित शाह खुद आए थे उसको हराने के लिए। मैं तो मतलब घर पे ही बैठा, क्या बोल रहा हूँ यार? ओके, हाँ, तो दिल्ली वासियों, हम सब ने मिलकर कोरोना को पिछली बार बहुत अच्छे से हराया था और ये काम हमको अभी दोबारा भी करना है, क्योंकि दोबारा वो नहीं आने वाले। हाँ, मन के अंदर से निकल ही जाता है। इसको काट देना। हाँ, तो क्या है कि अभी दोबारा कोरोना जो है वो अपने पैर पसार रहा है। हमारे युवाओं से कुछ गलतियां हो रही है। उन लोगों ने एक बार गलती की थी मेरे को वोट दे के, बट अभी एक बार फिर गलती कर रहे हैं। इसको भी काट देना। ओके, तो हमारे युवाओं से गलतियां हो रही हैं अलग अलग लेवल पे, कि उनको बाहर जाना पड़ता है, काम करना पड़ता है। अभी मेरी तरह तो है नहीं कि घर पे बैठ के कुर्सी गर्म करे। ओके, तो हमारे युवाओं से गलतियां हो रही हैं। वो लोग थोड़ा संभाल के रहे, मास्क पहने, सैनिटाइज़र पहने, टीका लगवाएं। अभी 2 मई से सबको टीके लगेंगे मेरे ख्याल से, 1 मई से शायद। अच्छा, 2 मई ममता दीदी का चुनाव, मेरे दिमाग में वही चल रहा है। चुनाव के अलावा मेरे को कुछ सोचता नहीं। ओके, कुछ है नहीं कहने के लिए मेरे पास, क्योंकि मैंने कुछ काम तो किया नहीं है इतने, मतलब पिछले 7 सालों से दिल्ली पे बैठा हूँ मैं, बट मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया, तो मेरे पास कुछ कहने के लिए है नहीं। हाँ, ब्लेम कर सकता हूँ मैं। मोदी जी ने हमको मतलब ऑक्सीजन नहीं दी, वैक्सीन नहीं दी, हमारी पावर भी छीन रहे हैं। वो बिल ला के, उन लोकसभा में जो बिल लाया है उन्होंने, हमारी पावर छीन ली उन लोगों ने। अभी तो हम बस ऐसे ही बैठे हुए हैं। हालांकि स्वास्थ्य जो व्यवस्था है वो मेरे अंतर्गत आता है, लेकिन मैं ब्लेम दिल्ली को, केंद्र सरकार को करूँगा। ठीक है। तो अभी ये जो ऐड मैंने चलाई है, सब, हाँ, सभी लोग अपने घर में रहें और स्वस्थ रहें और दिल्ली सरकार पर भरोसा रखें। मैंने सारे काम किए हैं, हालांकि के केंद्र नहीं है, लेकिन नाम मैं लूँगा। मैंने सारे काम किए हैं, तो हाँ, बस अगली बार वोट मेरे को देना। हाँ, अभी से तैयारी कर रहा हूँ मैं उसकी। ये विज्ञापन के लिए 500 करोड़ रुपए खर्च कर रहा हूँ मैं। अच्छे से एडिट करना है इसको, और सभी टीवी चैनल पे दिखना चाहिए, कोई भी टीवी चैनल छूटना नहीं चाहिए। समझ में आ गई बात? चलिए, सो हेलो, whatever you saw in the video, it's just my concern and my opinion. So if you don't agree, comment it. Okay. Okay, first thing I want to tell you that the government of the capital of India is doing nothing. I mean, you see what they have done. Like they own. They say that we did this, we did this, we did this on ads and on TV, on interviews, on every single things that's been going on. But in reality, there is nothing in present. When they say we have this kind, that much of oxygen, and the other after 2 hours they say we don't have oxygen, please give us, please give us. And they blame it on the central government. The home minister said, the Delhi home minister said that we will be out of the oxygen in 12 hours. We just have that much oxygen. So to whom are you telling this? I mean, why are you tweeting this thing on Twitter? You are the one responsible for it. No, you should add, what they say, you should collect all these things. It's your responsibility. Why didn't you plant oxygen plant? It's not that hard. The money that you wasted on the ads that we are seeing on every single news channel. I mean, when I started the news channel, the news go and the ad comes, his ad comes. When I change the channel, the next channel is already processing his ad. When I again change, the next channel is also showing his ad. I mean, he is coming on every single break once or twice. How? On every single channel, not just right, left. There is no center, but right, left, center. He is coming on every single channel with his ad and like this with the kamcha on. I mean, he don't wear kamcha, right? Oh, that was propaganda from the old old election, like uhu and stuff. Okay, so yeah, in the last video I talk about the Maharashtra state, and now I am talking to him because he is also one of the chief minister who don't do anything and blame everything on center. I know when center can be selfish, they will also provide all the stuff to their own chief minister, no, but still they are not like being, what do they say, they are not like this line you, I am not remembering the word, but they are not unfair to you, no? They also give you what you ask to them. Okay, it's your failure that you are not able to capitalize all these things. Why other state are not bluffing about it, or only your state and Maharashtra is like we will die and stuff, and I mean Kerala also has the government of the leftist, and they have the second most largest cases on their hand, but they are not shouting like this. And if you are, one advice to me, if you are not able to handle the government, just tell them, they will handle it, and then you can say that I did it on your advertisement. You don't do anything but the advertisement. Okay, you have done nothing. Your mohalla clinic don't work. I have seen this in many videos. Your nothing works. I mean, look, I only remember one mohalla clinic, huh? These four fingers are empty. You have done nothing even to say. Okay. Oh yeah, this was not my main thing. I was talking about the ads, and this came up, so I made it like this way. We are seeing the more and more ads about the medicines, about the bone vita, and about uh, every single thing that they, what they claim that they will improve your immunity. I mean, one ad says the mother knows better. Who knows better about the immunity than mother? My mother don't even know the spelling of immunity and what is mean before the corona had started. No one's know that. And now they are saying that who knows better than mother about the immunity and stuff. I mean, you are seeing anything stupidly in your ad just to sell your product about the name of the immunity. Huh? I mean, I'm just waiting for the ad when someone say if you brush your tooth with this paste, it will boost your immunity, and if you wash your hands and no, not wash your hand, take a bath with this sabun, what they say, build your immunity more. I'm just waiting for these things, and maybe some days after that they will sell a detergent powder which say it will increase the immunity of your clothes. And about the ads, I have seen an ad about Shah Rukh Khan. He is promoting, what they say, Zuba Kesh. I don't remember the product name. I guess it's Vimal or something. Huh? The Elaichi product. I mean, look, and also there is other, Salman Khan is also doing the advertisement about another Elaichi product of other company. I mean, look at these guys. I mean, they were like superstar of the Bollywood, and now no one is watching their movies, so they are come on this cheap level of selling these cheap products. I mean, people say this says it's a Elaichi, but it is not the Elaichi. They sell the brand's name. I mean, if you see the Kingfisher, it's not a soda. They will advertise it as a soda, but it's not soda. No, it's a wine. Everyone knows that. It's the same. They are not selling the Elaichi. They are selling tobacco, gutka, whatever inside. Okay. And I think we should keep continue on this, that we should not have watched their movies. I mean, I have seen the Radhe movie is coming. I hope that it go like totally flop, and they will understand what was our rage on our Sushant Singh, and now the same thing is happening to Kartik Aaryan. I mean, his name is Kartik Aaryan Tiwari or something, but I don't know. But he changed his name to Kartik Aaryan because of these all things, and now Karan Johar kicked out of him. I think Kartik Aaryan refused to do some stuff. I don't know, but okay. Let's end our video here.